everyone, welcome back. Today's video is completely on the Good Vibes product, another edition of Good Vibes. And today I will be reviewing this moisturizing body lotion, Shea Butter Deep Moisturizing Body Lotion from Good Vibes, which I have purchased it very recently. And this is a squeeze bottle, like you can see, very elegant in look, and quite reasonable quantity we get for, and it is for 200 ml, and this is the lovely color, lovely product. It's the Shea Butter Deep Moisturizing Body Lotion. And yeah, I have got this. Okay, the pricing is 195 rupees. I got this on discounted price. Always on purple.com you shall get products on discounted price, so for sure you shall be getting this product for much more cheaper price, like I always say in my videos for the Good Vibes. So purple.com gives lovely discount, so you shall be getting this for a discounted price. And yeah, the packaging is the normal, the golden rim and a squeeze bottle. Let me open this and check out how the product is. I haven't used this yet. I'm just unpacking it. So this is the unpacking video and not the review, because I haven't used this product yet. I've just purchased and I've got this, and I'm opening this in front of you. Okay, this is a very simple product. This comes in a bubble wrapped pack, and very lovely moisturizer, and all you have to do is just squeeze out. Okay, oh, this is so buttery. So I have squeezed some of the content here on my hand, if you can see. This is the content. It's really very buttery shea butter, and the smell is just amazing. See, it's so nicely glides on your skin. This is very much glidable, very soft, lovely, fresh, very nice fragrance here, and this is just amazing. Okay, this is the product. So it gives the glossy look once you apply it, and smell is just amazing. And yeah, this was the product, the body lotion from Good Vibes. The packaging, the color, the presentation is amazing, the product looks amazing, and the fragrance is just very smooth, very soothing. And if you have liked this video, click on the like button and subscribe my channel to stay connected. I shall be back soon with another video. Until then, take care, stay happy, stay blessed, and bye.